All right, so I was just sitting here and I was trying to figure out what the hell I had done to offend Lefty so bad. And I was getting the plate cleaned off and ready to go scrub it. And then it dawned on me that both times it had failed at exactly the same place and the same way. The tail, both times. And that got me to thinking, maybe there's something wrong with the model. And it dawned on me, there is, and I remembered. The last time I had this issue, it did in fact turn out to be something wrong with the models. You can't actually see it looking at it, but if we slice it and then look at the preview of it, we can kind of start getting an idea of what's going on here. So let me go down to layer 1. You notice something? So this is the tail right here, right? And this is this one's tail. And we're on looking at layer 1, which is the very first layer. But if we go to layer 2, well, wait a minute. How does that work? Because that tail wasn't there before. So essentially what's happening is, for whatever reason, this dragon is up off the bed just enough that the tail, the heart part of the tail, does not actually get laid down in the first layer like it should. Instead, the heart part is done on the second layer, which basically means the heart prints in midair, which is why it's failing. So I know how to fix it now that I've actually thought about it for 3.5 seconds. I know what to do to fix it. So what we do is we look at the model, and so you select the model and then you click the move button here. And in this scenario, you'll notice our Z height is 21.18. Okay, so let's change it to 21. And then let's reslice the model and see what happens. All right, slice is done. So let's look at the first layer. Wham. So just moving it down that little bit, now the tail, or the heart part of the tail, gets printed on the first layer. And if we look at the other model that I did not move, the heart still does not get printed on the first layer. So that's all it was. So I'm gonna get the other model moved, get it sliced, and get it printing. See y'all later.